go in with some apple seed oil. I got this from the Taliah Waajid collection that I previously did a video on. I can go ahead and put that in this video. This is part of the collection that they sent me. I love this, and it also works as a heat protectant. So that's what I'm doing for it here. I rarely use heat on my sister's hair, but for certain styles, I do kind of go in with a blow dryer, but no fire. At this point, you can see I am brushing her hair and loosely putting it in a ponytail, which I'm then going to put in a bun. And this will not be the final ponytail. This is just so I can get all of her hair out the way, and I can add some Got2B spray to sleek her edges and everything in the perimeter. Now, before you add the Got2B, there is an option that I sometimes do on myself where I will straighten the perimeter of my hair just to make sure it's very sleek and straight and everything is smoothed down. However, I did not want to do this to my sister's hair. I don't want to damage it. I don't want, honestly, she does not like to have her hair straightened. So I just went ahead and blow dried it really nice on the perimeter and went with that Got2B to make sure it's sleek. And make sure the bun or ponytail is placed in the exact place you would like that sew-in to be. got done using the Got2B and a blow dryer to go ahead and set and smooth that in, you do want to take that loose bun out and go ahead and sleek it again and put it in that final ponytail. Right, once you're done with that, you see how I'm going in. You can go ahead and just brush around the edges that one last time just to seal everything in after doing that final ponytail. Because my sister's hair is really thick, I'm going to split her ponytail in half and do 2 separate braids. I have thinner, shorter hair, so for myself, I would just put this in one braid. But for her hair, because I want that ponytail to be nice and sleek and smooth, not sticking out anywhere, I'll go ahead and do 2 separate braids and then band them together. as you guys see, I'm going around and around her hair, starting to thread the weave first and then putting it through the braid and working my way around as I'm moving further and further up her hair until I get to the ponytail holder. Be sure not to sew that ponytail holder. Just try to avoid doing that, but get as close to it as you can. And her hairstyle is just about done. I'm going ahead and getting a piece from the very back of it, smoothing that out just to wrap it up and cover that ponytail holder. Now, I do want to give a shout out to all 500 of my subscribers. You guys have been pouring in since I did my hair tutorial with the Taliah Waajid collection. I noticed you guys really liked that video, and also the video of me doing a Shein couch review. If you guys like those videos and want similar ones to them, just let me know. Be sure to give me a like and be sure to comment and subscribe. If you have any more requests or any questions at all, just go ahead and drop those below. And I know that there are more subscribers than the ones that I've shouted out so far in my other videos, but I'm not able to see it if you do not have an active channel. So don't think that you're going underappreciated. If you have a social media like an Instagram, a TikTok, a YouTube channel that I'm just not seeing, let me know. I will give you a shout out, okay? I appreciate everyone that's here. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a really happy holiday. Bye.